Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're going to start the repair now. First, connect the iPhone to power and a stable Wi-Fi network, and confirm battery is at least 50%. Next, make a quick backup to iCloud or your computer so you can restore if needed. Once backed up, free up about 2 gigabytes of storage by deleting large app caches or temporary files. Make sure storage shows available space before moving to settings to check for the pending update request. Now you'll clear the stuck update and retry. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, scroll to the iOS update file and delete it to remove the corrupted download. Once removed, restart the device. Perform a force restart only if the phone is unresponsive. After reboot, return to Settings, General, Software Update and tap Download and Install. You'll see progress. If it stalls again, cancel, delete the update file, and repeat this controlled retry sequence. If the update request still fails, place the device in recovery mode and connect to a Mac or PC with the latest Finder or iTunes. Choose Update when prompted to reinstall iOS without erasing data. Only pick Restore if update fails, because Restore will erase and require your backup. Once the upgrade completes, set up and restore from backup as needed. If you see error codes, note the number and reboot into recovery mode to retry. That single error.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.